Hi, I'm May from Englishroses, and today I'm going to show you how some of our roses are looking at this time of year. We are now in spring, and this is the beginning of the growing season for our roses. As it starts to get warmer and it starts to get sunnier outside, they will start to emerge from dormancy. Let's take a look and see how some of our roses are starting to grow. As you can see here, this rose is still quite bare, however it's starting to put on some lovely new red growth. This variety has been putting on lots of new green foliage, and it won't be long before some rose buds will start to appear. Don't worry if your rose still hasn't made any growth, as it's still likely preparing itself under the soil. Often roses just need more time and some warm sunny weather, and then they will burst into life again. Their growth depends on a number of factors, including rose variety, plant age, weather, location and seasonal conditions. For example, a cold and wet spring can delay roses from emerging from dormancy, and younger roses may take longer to flower than older, more established roses. There is still plenty of time for them to make good growth in time for the summer.